Good afternoon, everyone. Here's Brody, the Ford Taurus fan 2001 here. Today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 heavy duty. Couple months ago, I did do a review on a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 heavy duty. This one's a 2019, and this one's just a year newer. So anyways, today I'm going to give you a full in-depth tour and walk around of the Silverado, start her up and show the engine, and I'm going to show you the interior and the exterior of the truck as well. And here's that 2005 Chrysler 300 I did a review on a few months ago. So, go ahead, check it out. And so, without further ado, it's got the Z71 package. Let's start her up, let her run. Here's the key. I don't got a key fob or anything. This is all I got right here. It's a white exterior. With gray cloth interior. This truck just hit 100,030 kilometers. Pretty low for a 2019. It's might be a 4-year-old truck. I was trying to find the manufacturing date, but I couldn't find it. So, anyways, start her up. Oh yeah, she's a beast. Roll down the window. I think that's got it close. I don't know what's wrong with the window. Well, anyways, fires right up. 4-spoke leather wrap steering wheel. Very tight power steering. It's got a 6-speed automatic, I think, with manual shifting. You also get a backup camera. You also get tow haul mode. Shows right there. Not bad. And your parking brake's right there, but I don't want to engage it just in case it gets stuck or anything. So anyways, flip on the headlights. Does not have fog lights and the hazards. Now I'll review the exterior. That driver's window's kind of weird. This got the Terra Track TG tires. There's your exhaust. And there's that 95 GMC Sierra right here, if you want to check it out. It's right in the way, so I might not be able to open the tailgate, on this one. So anyways, let's continue with the tour. Here's your gas door. Takes diesel fuel. show the back seat. It's a base model. Let's open the hood. Coming up to the hood, you get GM's 6.6 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. Like I said, it's a 6.6 liter. Yep, 2019. Let's close the hood. Now, let's review the interior. That driver's window's kind of weird. Anyways, now I'll review the interior. And your turn signals. Your fan speed. Your temperature. And your radio. There's 2 glove boxes in here. And your storage, your cup holders. Let's see how she sounds. Gotta love your diesel. And your RPM gauge. You also get tow haul mode. Selected by the button. All right, shut her off. I hope you guys enjoyed the full tour on the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 heavy duty. Hope you guys enjoyed the full tour, and goodbye.